Our eyes are precious. They let us see the faces of loved ones, enjoy the beauty of nature, and experience the world around us. Taking care of our eyes is essential for maintaining clear vision and overall well-being. Just like any other part of our body, our eyes need regular care and attention. By adopting simple habits and practices, we can protect our eyesight and enjoy a lifetime of healthy vision. Simple steps like regular cleaning and a balanced diet can go a long way in preventing eye problems. Remember, healthy eyes mean a brighter, clearer view of the world. Our eyes are constantly exposed to the environment, making them susceptible to dirt, dust, and other irritants. These particles can accumulate on the surface of our eyes and eyelids, leading to discomfort and potential problems. One common culprit is eye discharge, also known as sleep in our eyes. This sticky substance can build up overnight, trapping dirt and debris. Furthermore, allergens like pollen and pet dander can irritate our eyes, causing redness, itching, and excessive tearing. If left unaddressed, eye buildup can lead to blurry vision, infections, and other complications. Maintaining clean eyes is easier than you might think. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. One effective method is using a warm compress. Simply soak a clean washcloth in warm water, wring out excess water, and gently place it over your closed eyelids for a few minutes. The warmth helps loosen any crusty residue and soothes tired eyes. You can also use artificial tears, available over the counter, to rinse away debris and lubricate your eyes. Another simple technique is to gently massage your eyelids using circular motions. This helps stimulate tear production and clear away any blockages in the tear ducts. Remember to always use clean hands and avoid touching your eyes directly to prevent the spread of bacteria. In addition to cleaning, certain natural remedies can help maintain healthy eyes. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables, particularly those high in vitamins A and C, is crucial for eye health. Carrots, spinach, and citrus fruits are excellent choices. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also essential for maintaining optimal eye function. Additionally, you can try using a cold compress for a few minutes to reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. Lastly, ensure you get enough sleep each night, as this allows your eyes to rest and regenerate.